How to restore Facebook Messenger chat without PIN. Want to restore your Messenger chats but forgot your PIN? Here's what you need to know. Important. First, if you turned on end-to-end encrypted backups in Facebook Messenger, a PIN is required to restore chats. Without the correct PIN, you cannot access the old encrypted backup. But here's what you can do. Option 1, try to reset your PIN. 1. Open Messenger. 2. Go to Settings, Privacy and Safety, End-to-End Encrypted Chats. 3. Tap Secure Storage. 4. Choose Forgot PIN. 5. Verify your identity. 6. Create a new PIN. Note, resetting the PIN may delete the old encrypted backup. Option 2. Check if chats are still on Facebook. If chats were not encrypted, log into Messenger with the same account. Chats may automatically sync from Facebook servers. Option 3. Check device backup. If you had phone backup enabled, restore from Google Drive, Android. Restore from iCloud, iPhone. Only works if Messenger data was included in backup. What will not work? Third-party recovery apps, PIN bypass tools, hack methods. These are unsafe and usually scams. Final truth. If your chats were encrypted and you forgot the PIN, there is no way to restore that specific backup without resetting it. Your best option is resetting the PIN and starting fresh.